You can see all the little flat spots here. It's to the point that this thing bounces up and down quite a bit going down the highway pretty badly. So I think we're about falling apart here. Port Angeles Power and Equipment. They're going to redo the fork seals on this bad boy as they are gone. I did not realize that I grabbed my old Alpines. You're headed to Port Angeles Power and Equipment this morning. So the old V-STROM has just under 15,000 miles on it. 15,000 very well-worn miles. The 2015 V-STROM has 14,457 miles on it as I'm rolling up to this intersection. And the tires are falling apart pretty badly. The tires on this little Suzuki V-STROM are toast. I put these TKC80 tires on the V-STROM when it had 2,000 miles on the original Bridgestones, with the original plan of preparing to go to ride Black Bear Pass and to see what this little Suzuki V-STROM could do off-road. I think I've done a pretty good job of finding out the limits of this Suzuki V-STROM going over Black Bear Pass in Colorado with the TKC80 tires on it that were pretty well worn by the time I went over that mountain pass. And it's hard to believe it's been almost 2 years since I've been on this motorcycle. And it is definitely time for some new tires. I am putting another set of TKC80 tires on this thing since the old ones had, gosh, almost 13,000 miles on the tires. It's pretty incredible. You really think of it. Thought Justin was here for just a second.